The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Pull the carpet back slightly to gain access to the cabin air filter. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Disengage the wire harness by pulling backwards. Use a T20 torque driver to remove the two screws securing the footwell sealing panel. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Disconnect the light from the panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1176C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. You will need to twist the filter to get it into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the wire harness. Reinstall the wires. Replace the rug to its original position. Reconnect the footwell light. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Reinstall the screws.